In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily uninstall games on Steam. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to open up Steam and then head over to your library. It will show you all the games on your Steam account. If you want to filter just installed games, click right here at Filter and then select Installed locally. As you can see here, I got just 3 installed games on that computer, and if we want to remove a game, we need to right-click on it, then go to Manage, and then click Uninstall. Keep in mind that it will just uninstall the game from the computer. The game won't be removed from your account, it will just remove files from your computer and you will be able to play that game in the future, but you'll need to first re-download all its content. To continue, hit Add Uninstall, and basically that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.